Sacrifice for humanity is the law of the solar logos. He sacrifices himself from the dawn of life, crucifying himself in every new planet that comes into existence, so that all beings may have life in abundance. The Christ Son sacrifices himself on our planet Earth in order to give life to everything. Afterward, he resurrects throughout all creation, and the grain and the grape mature. The law of the Logos is sacrifice. I would like to know the concept that our brother has regarding sacrifice. Sacrifice, as it is understood in the great work, is not merely painful sacrifice. To me, it means to give something, to sacrifice one's own comfort for the common good. There is no doubt that your concept of sacrifice is filled with profound cosmic beauty. However, I do not agree with the factor of pain, because pain does not necessarily have to exist in sacrifice or sacred work. What is meant by transformation? Much could be said, and some might even object, claiming that transformation and sacrifice are not related. Nevertheless, I must emphasize transformation because it is fundamental to sacrifice. Let us observe this in a practical way. Diesel fuel is sacrificed in a locomotive in order to obtain the motive power that makes the train move along its rails. In earlier times, mineral or vegetable coal was used. The coal was sacrificed to attain speed. Now observe how different these aspects are in themselves, coal and the speed of a moving train. If we take a piece of mineral or vegetable coal and examine it, and then observe a train in motion, we see that they are completely different. Yet, through sacrifice, it is possible to transform mineral or vegetable coal into speed. Jesus the Christ sacrificed himself extensively for humanity. Why? He needed to publicly open the doors of initiation for us. Yet, at a deeper level, this signifies something more. It is said that in the cult of Mithras, there appears a god upon the back of a beast, stabbing it with a poniard, and from the blood of that animal, life unfolds, everything that is, has been, and will be. The cult of Mithras was spread throughout Europe. Thus, through sacrifice, an inferior force is transformed into a superior and different force, just as in the example of the machine and the coal. Inverential peace. Samael Aun Weor.